हेलो दोस्तों, मैं राजेंद्र जटाना आपके लिए ला रहा हूँ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल. दिस इज यूज्ड इन क्लास 10th and 11th. I'll come up with my notes. Thank you. Here I come with notes of pair of linear equations. What are linear equations in two variables? Look here. Pair means two. Linear means degree 1. Equation means equal to sign. And two variables are x and y. Now, these are the standard pair of linear equations in two variables. Now, first one is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So, this representation is in general. Example number 1. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variables. Degree is 1. Now look here. What is the value of, compare it with the first. Compare it. A is 2, B is 3, C is 5. A is 2, B is 3, C is 5. A1, A2, A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are called coefficients. These numericals, numbers, they are the coefficients. Second example is 3x plus 5y minus 8. Here A is 3, B is 5 and C is minus 8. Similarly, in the third one, A is 5, B is 9 and C is 14. So, these are pair of linear equations in two variables. Now, let us go further. How to find the solution? There are four methods. These are illustrated with the help of following mnemonics. These four methods are GEMS, graphical method, elimination method, multiplication means cross multiplication method, and S stands for substitution method. You all are gems. God has made everybody born as gems, and they are gems of the parents, and they are gems for the country, they are gems for the world. So we all are born gems. Now look here. Next is how geometrically we can represent the pair of linear equations. The word linear contains line. So it implies pair of linear equation means there are two lines. There is a pair. These two lines can be drawn in the following three ways. Either they will be intersecting each other at a unique point, one point. And this is a case where they are parallel. There is no solution, there is no intersection, there is no point common. And the third case is coincident lines. One line is overlapping the other line. So there are infinite solutions in this case. In this case, there is no solution because there is no point of intersection. And here there is only one solution, that is the unique solution. एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया. One solution, many solutions. Now let us go further. Now this pair can be consist of consistency or inconsistency. Now look here, consistent means pair of linear equations having solution. It can be unique solution. It can be many solutions. However, when the system will be inconsistent, when there is no solution. No solution means not consistent, that is inconsistent. And solution means consistent. Solution means consistent. So, with this, I am ending the lecture today. We will go ahead with the 4 methods which I have told you, and the mnemonic for that is GEMS. Graphical method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, and substitution method. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I will request you to share it among your friends, and if you like the videos, please do subscribe it. Thank you very much. Good night. Bye.